What if I told you you can make $200 every single day using AI tools? Without coding, without experience, and without a big investment? Sounds unrealistic? Well, thousands of beginners in the US are already doing this in 2026. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how step by step. So make sure you watch till the end, because I'll also reveal a bonus method that can turn this into a full-time income. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I create content about making money online, AI tools, passive income ideas, and smart digital strategies. And today's video is perfect for beginners who want to start earning online using AI, especially if you're in the US market. Now let me be clear. This is not a get-rich-quick trick, but it is a real, practical system that can help you earn your first $100, then $200, and even more per day if you stay consistent. So let's get started. Part 1. Why RE is the biggest opportunity. Right now, we are living in the AI gold rush era. Businesses are saving time, reducing costs, scaling faster, and they need people who can use AI tools effectively. The best part? You don't need to be an expert. You just need to understand basic tools, provide value, solve simple problems, and companies in the US are willing to pay for that. That's where you come in. Part 2. Best RE tools you need. Let's talk about the tools you'll use. 1. ChatGPT. This is your main tool for writing content, generating ideas, creating scripts, emails, blogs, captions. 2. Canva. Use this for social media posts, thumbnails, ads, presentations. 3. CapCut. Perfect for short videos, reels, TikTok edits, AI captions. 4. Pictory. Use this for turning scripts into videos, faceless content creation. These tools do 80% of the work. You just guide them. Part 3. Method 1. RE content writing, beginner friendly. This is the easiest way to start earning. Step 1. Choose a service. Offer. Blog writing. Product descriptions. Social media captions. Step 2. Use ChatGPT. Ask. Write a 1,000-word blog on fitness tips for beginners in the US. Boom. Content ready. Step 3. Sell your service. Go to Fiverr, Upwork. Create a gig. I will write SEO blog posts using AI. Step 4. Pricing. Start with $10 to $20 per order. After reviews, increase to $50 plus. Daily example. 10 clients times $20 equals $200 per day. Part 4. Method 2. RE social media content. Businesses in the US need daily content. You can offer Instagram posts, TikTok scripts, Reels ideas. How to do it. Use ChatGPT for captions. Use Canva for designs. Deliver 10 posts in 30 minutes. Offer package. 30 social media posts for $100. Get just 2 clients a day equals $200. Part 5. Method 3. Short video creation. Short videos are exploding right now. You can create TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. Process. Script ChatGPT. Voice AI voice tools. Edit CapCut. Upload or sell. Selling. Offer. I will create viral short videos for your brand. Charge. $10 per video. 20 videos day equals $200. Part 6. Method 4. Faceless YouTube channel. This is a long-term strategy. Steps. Pick a niche. Finance. Motivation. Tech. Script ChatGPT. Voice AI. Video Pictory. Upload consistently. Monetization. YouTube ads. Affiliate marketing. Sponsorships. Once it grows, $200 per day passive income is possible. Part 7. How to scale fast. To reach $200 per day faster. 1. Focus on only skill. Don't try everything. 2. Improve speed. AI helps you deliver faster. 3. Increase price. From $10, $50, $100. 4. Build repeat clients. Monthly packages equals stable income. Part 8. Reality check. Let's be honest. You will not make $200 on day 1. Become rich overnight. But you can. Start earning in 7 to 14 days. Hit $200 per day in 30 to 60 days. If you stay consistent. Part 9. Bonus method. RE plus affiliate marketing. Promote products using blogs, videos, social media. Use ChatGPT to write reviews, create scripts, earn commissions daily. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, like this video thumbs up sign. Subscribe for more AI money-making content. Money with Wings. And comment AI money if you want a full beginner roadmap. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.